Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss all about CMAT 2025, mainly three things, that is exam details like syllabus, weightage, pattern, which topics are important, which topics are not important, plus once you take your exam, what will be the expected cutoff, what all colleges should you target based on your cutoff or based on how your exam went, good, bad, excellent. At the same time, exam ke din, since exam is around the corner, what are the do's and don'ts, exam day guidelines, what you can carry, what you cannot carry, all these things we are going to discuss in today's session. Students, just let's get started. Before we start, please do not forget to subscribe to, or I would say, at least keep the notification on for CMAT 2025 playlist, because today is just the introductory session wherein I'm going to tell you what all I'm going to teach you, what all guidance you're going to get for CMAT 2025 preparation. तो देखो playlist में आप जाएंगे तो CMAT में in this you'll find CMAT 2025. So if you'll just go through, please watch past year questions, a lot of topics, because I generally do not repeat topics for 2 years consecutively. अब हो सकता है next year में कुछ चीजें repeat हो, but अभी नहीं होगी. So whatever sessions I'll take, it will be new. But if you watch everything, last year के जो PYQs है, past year question papers, as well as जो इस साल में questions करवाऊंगी, सब कुछ देख के आपका definitely बहुत अच्छी practice होगी, and then you will be able to crack the exam with flying colors. So make sure you watch everything and not just the sessions I'll take henceforth. ठीक है? Okay, so as we know, CMAT 2025 selection process will first of all depend on your CMAT score. How much do you need to score? See, basic cutoff is 250 plus for any good college, but of course, since the competition is so high, you have to score above 330 or so. I'll tell you in detail किस कॉलेज का क्या कट ऑफ है, बट बिफोर दैट लेट अस जस्ट नो देयर आर 5 स्टेप्स टू एडमिशन. पहले तो आपको ऑफ कोर्स रजिस्टर करना है, विच यू मस्ट हैव रजिस्टर्ड फॉर CMAT 2025. नाउ like admit card will be released around January, I would say 1 week before, January 15, Jan 15, or maybe January 20, around these dates. You will be appearing for the exam on 25th. Right, then apply separately for whichever colleges you want to go to. See, just taking the exam is not enough. You'll have to apply separately for the colleges you are planning to go to or planning to target. Right, आपके जो भी result आएंगे, आप score card download करोगे, GDPI, GD जरूरी नहीं है. It will be conducted in every college, but then whatever is the process, be it VAT, PI, you have to take and then go ahead. Right now, if we just talk about exam students, there are 5 sections in detail. Again, we'll discuss verbal, quant, LR, your entrepreneurship and innovation. Right? These are the 5 sections. इस पे हम डिटेल में बात करें, क्या सिलेबस है, कितने टॉपिक्स आते हैं, ऑनलाइन मोड है, 180 मिनट्स का एग्जाम है. Yet like number shifts, ये actually 2 shifts अभी डिक्लेयर हो गई हैं, but still आप keep your eyes and ears open. They may change or may not also change. Right? The number of questions are 100. हर question के 4 marks are so 400. Number of answer choices will be 5 plus 4 for every correct answer and minus 1 for incorrect answers. Right? The entire exam is going to be conducted in English. Have we talked about the syllabus in detail, students? These are the 5 sections. First will be language comprehension, जिसमें आपके majority of the topics will be from reading comprehension, vocab and grammar. Right, vocab and grammar. Whereas next section will be quantitative. Majority of the questions will be from arithmetic, number system, algebra. Arithmetic, algebra and number system. Right, then LR, general awareness, innovation and entrepreneurship. Right, ये सारी आपके topics हैं. I am going to personally conduct classes on this first section, that is language comprehension, जिसमें mainly as I told you 3 topics हैं, RC, vocab and grammar. As I showed the playlist में already बहुत सारे questions on RC, vocab, grammar. A lot of PYQs have been covered, but I'll be like taking out single one short session. Like they'll be lengthy. ऐसा नहीं कि daily हम half an hour we are studying. Let's say RCS में मैंने 5 to 6 CMAT type के RC करवा दी. Then vocab हो गया 100 vocab at a time. Right? Then grammar, all the entire grammar for CMAT, CET, अभी exam CET भी आने वाला, CUET, for the entire grammar just for that. Okay, all right. So okay, we have understood that the exam is for 3 hours, 5 sections है इसमें, right? 20 questions each for each section. Total the sections are quant, logical reasoning, language, that is English, general awareness and innovation and entrepreneurship. Right? ये आपके 5 like section है. There will be 100 questions for 3 hour exam. you're approximately how much, like +4 हमें पता है. See, a lot of people say exam is easy if you've already prepared for exams which happened previous to CMAT exam like SNAP, CAT, ZAT, etc. You don't have to prepare separately for this. True, but I still feel you have to take mocks for this. At the same time, I feel no exam is easy because the selection process is difficult for everything. Once you take the exam, right, it's still just, even if you have scored say out of 400 say 250, for example 250 to 300, again depends who all have got 300. If a lot of people have got around 300, getting admission will still be difficult in top college, isn't it? So basically your percentile scores matter much more than just the raw score. First, that registration students have already started and ended when I'm recording this exam. तो अगर कोई फ्यूचर में देखना चाह रहा है for next year तो आप of course ये सारे steps देख सकते हो, but it is not relevant right now, so I'll be skipping this. Now, every year approximately 60 to 70 or 80,000 students take this exam, and again, of course, there are like 1,000 colleges, B schools in India, out of which approximately 100 to 150 colleges जो अच्छे CMAT के थ्रू होते हैं. But then अगर आपको for example अच्छे कॉलेज में in terms of placement आपको अच्छी होनी चाहिए, इस तरह कॉलेज में जाना है, तो you have to ensure that you're above, like out of these 65 or 75, so you have to be at least among 3,000 people to get into their top colleges, जहाँ पे फीस ठीक है, फीस के अकॉर्डिंगली प्लेसमेंट्स है, ROI वाइज ठीक है, academic curriculum is okay, right? That means group activities है, not only bookish learning, right? All those things, for all those things you have to ensure कि आप 3,000 के अंदर हो as much as possible. Now difficulty level as we discussed बहुत ज़्यादा हाई नहीं है. बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स लाइक अबव 200 250 मतलब ला ही रहे हैं इस एग्जाम में, इसलिए यू हैव टू स्कोर अबव 300 फॉर श्योर. एट 300 प्लस मैं बोलूँगी आपको मिनिमम स्कोर करना ही करना है. नाउ कोई इसमें डिस्क्वालिफिकेशन नहीं है बिकॉज देर आर सो मेनी कॉलेजेस which take CMAT marks. तो आपके 70 percentile है, 60 है, 80. Anyone who do not want to waste their year, for example कि एक साल waste नहीं करना, MBA ही करना है. For those students, CMAT is one of the good exams because, for example, when you take other exams like CAT, ZAT, CAT में अगर आपके 90 percentile के नीचे हैं, तो जो भी colleges हैं, they are mostly जो CAT के through होते हैं, IIMs हो गए, non-IIMs, they are not going to accept, right, your admission. ZAT में भी same है कि 90 85 प्लस तो मिनिमम चाहिए, बट CMAT में दैट्स नॉट द केस. देयर आर कॉलेजेस फॉर एवरी परसेंटाइल, 60 परसेंटाइल से लेके 60 70 80. सो इफ यू हैव टू डू MBA, यू कांट वेस्ट 1 ईयर, आप CMAT के थ्रू जा सकते हो, बट स्टिल इंश्योर कि आपका एटलीस्ट टॉप 10% में तो हो, इफ नॉट राइट, इफ नॉट लाइक उससे भी कम 5%. Now CMAT exam will be held in 2 slots students, 124 cities, as in आपके definitely आपको पास में एक अपना सेंटर मिलेगा जो आपको पता चल जाएगा. 100 questions हैं, ये तो हमें पता ही है. How do we prepare? See, in order to prepare we need to know all the important topics. For example, if we talk about English section, in English section vocab, grammar and RC carries the maximum weightage. Of course, there can be topics like parajumble, or there can be topics on critical reasoning like statement assumption, syllogism, but the weightage will be very low. So if you prepare just on these 3 topics, your English section is sorted. For quant section, everyone, again arithmetic, algebra, modern maths, number system. Then after that, modern maths, geometry, everything, but these 3 topics will carry the most weightage. If we talk about AR, LR, for AR your topics will be linear arrangements, circular arrangements, basically arrangement, blood relationships. Right, for LR your topics will be syllogism, course of action, inferences, statement assumptions, etc. So I'm going to cover topics like on English, vocab, grammar, RC, and on LR topics. LR means syllogism, course of action, statement assumption, statement conclusion, statement and argument, cause and effect, it's strong and weak arguments. ये सारी चीजें basically English and LR topic is what I'm going to cover for CMAT 2025 students. Now, few things you need to understand, like you are prepare करो, just knowing the syllabus is also not enough. Of course you have to practice on each and every topic, but पहले तो आपको ये पता होना चाहिए क्या books है. तो क्या कोई books है? No, very honestly no students. There might be like 1 or 2 books, but best जो होगा आप PYQ सॉल्व कीजिए, पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स सॉल्व कीजिए टू गेट द बेस्ट आइडिया एंड ऑल गुड क्वालिटी मटेरियल विच आई हैव ऑब्जर्व कि गूगल में है क्या, बहुत सारे वेबसाइट्स में अवेलेबल है, फ्री मॉक टेस्ट आर अवेलेबल, तो वो आप देख सकते हो। या फिर एक बार साथ साथ में इस तरह के बहुत सारे यूट्यूब चैनल्स में CMAT 2025 की प्रिपरेशन चल रही है, आप सिर्फ यूट्यूब के सर्च में लिखिए CMAT 2025, जो भी प्रिपरेशन चल रही है आप उन प्लेलिस्ट को फॉलो कीजिए एंड दैट्स हाउ यू शुड प्रिपेयर बिकॉज यूर गेटिंग टाइम इज वेरी लेस, यूर गेटिंग द एक्सप्लेनेशन एज वेल एज प्रैक्टिस देन एंड देयर। ऐसा नहीं कि पहले आप रीड कर रहे हो फिर एक्सप्लेनेशन ढूंढ रहे हो लाइक दैट, राइट। सो आप जो CMAT टॉपर्स हैं बहुत सारे इंटरव्यूज आपको मिल जाएंगे यूट्यूब पे, आप पहले वो भी देख सकते हो, व्हाट स्ट्रैटेजी डिड दे अप्लाई ऑल द स्ट्रैटेजीज आई ऑलवेज से इज नॉट इनफ, you have to work hard, it's always crawling, walking and running, पहले आपको खुद ही सीखना पड़ेगा and then of course once you've learned the basics you can maybe learn strategies from the toppers, right? So आप देखिए कि भाई how exactly what all strategies people are giving, watch it, but just watching that is not enough, you have to give at least 2 hours of practice for CMAT exam, right? That now there are many colleges, right? Total 1300 colleges हैं जो कि CMAT का score accept करते हैं. If we talk about state wise like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, Hyderabad, so if we talk about state wise in Delhi, Soil, right, JIMS, Jaipuria, right, OP Jindal, these are the colleges in Delhi which accept CMAT score. If we talk about Mumbai colleges, then Wellinkar, Syscom, Chetna, Bocconi, SJ Bocconi, right? ये सारे जो colleges हैं, they are accepting, right? In Bangalore, Christ, XIME, right? IBA, AIMS, all these colleges are accepting. Then Pune में again आप देख लीजिए Balaji, Flame, right? NIA, NIBM, ये सारे आपके colleges हैं. So state wise, why am I basically recommending you state wise? A lot of students want to stay near their parents or near like जहाँ पे अभी वो already रह रहे हैं, they want to stay there. So if you want to know कि which all college forms, because you'll have to fill up separately with CMAT exam, and that's why I've separated like this so that you can fill up only those forms in case you want to stay in a certain state. Right, for Hyderabad, it will be IBS Hyderabad, IPE, right, Geetam, right, all these are the colleges. Right, admit card will be available around January 20 students on cmat.nta website, exactly where you have registered for it, where you filled the form. वहाँ पे होंगे आपके results within 7 days, 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks it will be announced. Right, it will be sent to you post email. आपको download करना है. If you want to rank in 1 to 100, like to get into the top colleges, you have to score something above 350 out of 400. Total 400 right marks का exam है, 350 plus आपको करना ही करना है. Then 315 is for top 1000 and top 270. That means, as I was telling you, you have to be among top 3000 people out of 75,000 people who take this exam. That means nothing below 274 actually, or 250, 240. राइट, उसके नीचे आप 250 तो मिनिमम अपना लेके चलो कि अगर मुझे इफ आई वांट अ गुड प्लेसमेंट आफ्टर माय कॉलेज एंड्स, आफ्टर माय 2-year degree ends, I just can't afford to get below 250 plus no matter what. And then only the CMAT attempt is successful. Otherwise, if you get below it, of course there are colleges, but trust me, just do not go for graduation, post-graduation for a degree certificate. Certificates have no value. Brand value has जो college की brand value उसका कुछ importance है when you go out for placements and everything. Like you know what you're learning, your skills, what you're getting from those colleges, उसकी value है. just certificate की कोई value नहीं है. So if you're getting below it, there will be colleges, but I will not personally recommend you to go. Rather, wait for upcoming management exams. टिस्क को आप फिलअप कीजिए, दूसरे एग्जाम्स फिलअप कीजिए, बट इसके नीचे अगर आपका स्कोर आ रहा है तो आप फिर इसके कॉलेजेस आप छोड़ दो. ठीक है, ओके. CMAT 2025 स्टूडेंट्स कट ऑफ विल बी 230 to 250 होता है मिनिमम, बिकॉज सम कॉलेजेस विल टेक सी प्रोफाइल एज वेल, सो दे हैव टू कीप द कट ऑफ लोअर. ऑल्दो सब क्यूमुलेटिव जो कंपोजिट स्कोर होगा उसमें अगर आप 300 आपके नहीं है एटलीस्ट, तो एडमिशन होना वैसे ही मुश्किल है in top colleges, but they just keep it minimum just in case someone has a great profile, right? For that reason. Now there are few changes, like number of section increased to 5 from earlier 4. Actually GK and entrepreneurship and innovation entrepreneurship जो section है, that sometimes they add, then they remove, then they add, then they make it compulsory कि ठीक है इसका marks add होगा, sometimes they say इसका marks add नहीं होगा. इस बार it is all 5 sections are important. That's what you need to understand. Number of questions are 20 per question rather than 25. राइट, रॉ स्कोर्स पहले मिलते थे, अब ऐसा नहीं है, आपको डायरेक्टली आपका एक स्कोर होगा, एक परसेंटाइल मिल जाएगा बेस्ड ऑन विच यू विल नो कि विच कॉलेजेस आर एक्सेप्टिंग मी, विच कॉलेजेस आर नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग मी. सो ना एग्जाम डे के दिन क्या करना है स्टूडेंट्स, और एग्जाम डे के पहले एक्चुअली वन लाइक अराउंड this is something you have to do on 20th January if exam is on 25th. So download your admit card from the NTA's website, right, from this website. Then कलर कॉपी होनी चाहिए, ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट होनी चाहिए. आई टेल यू इन डिटेल. उसके बाद डिटेल्स में चेक कर लो सब कुछ सही लिखा है ना, राइट. योर नेम इन द एडमिट कार्ड एंड योर आईडी कार्ड मस्ट मैच. आप रिपोर्टिंग टाइम चेक कर लो, ट्राई टू रीच 2 hours बिफोर, 2 hours before the exam, right. ठीक है, dates वगैरह timings you will check, right, when you can. If it is not that far you can definitely visit the examination center to get an idea कितना time लगेगा, traffic and everything. But of course not necessary, depends आप कितना दूर है, कितना पास है आपके examination center. Make sure students that आप at least 2 hour या 2.5 hour पहले, वो सबसे important चीज़ है. Because this is a very obvious thing, you must be saying कि इतनी बार क्यों बोल रहे, but still a lot of students reach late and because of which they are disqualified. Like हर साल होता है, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स का तो ये होता ही होता है. So even though it's a very obvious thing to say, एडमिट कार्ड जो आपका है वो क्लियर कलर प्रिंट आउट होना चाहिए, A4 साइज पेपर. इसमें आपको एक फोटो, अपनी पासपोर्ट साइज फोटो यू हैव टू स्टिक, राइट. दे माइट आस्क यू टू स्टिक योर थंब प्रिंट. Original ID card you have to take, original as in either PAN card or driving license or voter ID or Aadhaar card. I would say these 4 only, not even, I don't think passport anybody carries, I've never seen, क्योंकि थोड़ा रिस्की है, पासपोर्ट एक ही बार बनता है. तो PAN card, driving license, voter ID and Aadhaar card, ये चारों में से anything you can take. Do not take the copy of it or photo through phone. You're showing okay this is my ID card, all those things will not be accepted except these 4 original ID cards, original copies. से कॉपी नहीं होनी चाहिए, वो ही एक्सेप्ट होगा. सो मेक श्योर यू डू दैट. आपका कोई स्कूल का, कॉलेज का आईडी है, वो सब कुछ भी नहीं चलेगा. इफ PWD सर्टिफिकेट भी आपको चाहिए इफ यू आर गेटिंग द असिस्टेंस ऑफ वन मोर पर्सन विथ यू टू टेक द एग्जाम, सो यू नीड दैट. ठीक है, क्या नहीं करना है, यू कांट कैरी एनीथिंग, बीट पेंसिल बॉक्स, ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स, हैंड बैग, पर्स, कुछ भी आपको कैरी नहीं करना है. इफ यू कैरिंग एनीथिंग, कुछ भी आप करोगे तो आपको बाहर रखवा देंगे, एग्जाम सेंटर के बाहर. और वहाँ पे सेफ कीपिंग के लिए कोई लॉकर हो भी सकता है, नहीं भी हो सकता है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द कॉलेज. सो व्हाट आई रेकमेंड इज देयर इज स्मॉल लॉक which comes. So in case locker is provided, locker as in the cupboard kind of locker, वो दिया है, उसमें रख के आप लॉक कर सकते हो, उन्हें दिया, ठीक है. If they have not provided, you have to keep your bag just outside the classroom or something, कंप्यूटर लैब और समथिंग, यू हैव टू जस्ट कीप इट डाउन. तो एटलीस्ट आपने चेन, कुछ वैल्यूएबल्स हैं, वॉच है, फोन है फॉर एग्जाम्पल, तो देन यू कैन लॉक योर बैग लाइक दैट, और वहां पे आप रख सकते हो सो दैट नोबडी इज ओपनिंग द चेन when you're taking the exam outside. वैसे nobody does that, but just you never know, at least for your mental relief you can do that. And your camera, because cameras are everywhere even outside, so the chances of getting things stolen is very very less, but it might happen, so you have to be just careful. ठीक है, so of course you know कोई electronic gadgets नहीं ले जाने. Of course things to carry or not to carry is quite similar to, I would say, any other exam. अगर आपने इसके पहले कोई भी एग्जाम दिया है, be it CAT exam, ZAT, कोई banking exam, so almost in any of the exam you can't take any of the things, right. जो भी scratch paper है, pencil pen paper है, they will provide you. उसमें ही आपको पेपर में अपना नाम, रोल नंबर लिखना है, so that they will know कि the sheet is yours only, and you have to leave it before leaving the examination hall. You can't carry that rough sheet with you, right. There will be pen, pencil, blank paper will be provided to you, right. All those stationery will be provided to you. आपके राइट, आपको अपनी उसमें आपको अपना सिग्नेचर, लेफ्ट हैंड थंब इम्प्रेशन, राइट, वो सारी पेज, फोटोग्राफी, सारी चीजें आपको अपने एडमिट कार्ड में करना है. एंड देन या राइट, ऑफ कोर्स, राइट, एनी चीटिंग, disturbing others, talking, reading loudly, all those things are not acceptable at all. So either invigilator will tell you not to do it, but if you're really talking to someone, then though of course both of you will be asked to go out. Yeah. Alright students, do not forget, now this is just introduction. Now what exactly I'm going to cover for you after this session, so stay tuned for alternate days. On alternate days I'm going to post session on English plus LR, right. LR I told you, like critical reasoning topics like syllogism, cause and effect, statement assumption, weak argument, strong argument, वो सारे topics, plus English में vocab, grammar and RC. ठीक है, there are already many sessions as I told you students, so please go to CMAT 2025, start watching already, because I am not going to repeat the topics, but then all those questions, majority I would say are PYQs, और PYQs के अलावा जो CMAT लेवल के पैराजम्बल्स हैं, ग्रामर है, राइट, वोकैबुलरी है, जो भी वो सारी चीजें ली है, तो मेक श्योर आप वो भी देख लो टू गेट द बेस्ट मार्क्स। ट्रस्ट मी व्हेन आई एम सेइंग दैट, अगर आप वो देख लोगे तो आपको बहुत बेनिफिट होगा। ठीक है, ऑलराइट, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, सी यू सून विथ फर्स्ट इंग्लिश सेशन ईदर ऑन ग्रामर और आरसी, राइट, विद इन next 2 days. Bye everyone, have a nice day.